Check the layering near the mantle edge.
It maintains consistency even in the folds.
This section alone is nearly 5 meters.
Keep the tension steady, it's very fragile. Seals are intact. We're just waiting on the final clearance from the booth now.
Gate clear. Proceed to entry.
Seals are intact.
Verification complete. Conforming clearance. Okay, unlock and open on my signal. Keep it controlled.
Understood.
Good. Step back and let's take a look. The surface pattern here matches the reference charts exactly. We can proceed. Every cut must follow the material, not force it. Every cut commits the material to its final purpose.
All right, ready? And lift together. Keep it steady, nice and slow now.
Uniform strength begins with uniform thickness.
This is where raw material begins to learn a new role.
No separation here.
Material holds flexible. Once cut, there is no return.
Setup confirmed. All ready.
Ready.
Begin cut on my mark. On my count. Ready? 1, 2, heave.
This is where accuracy replaces force.
What holds the edges together holds the entire garment.
For the first time, the material knows what it will become.
This is the backbone of the jacket.
Movement is the final test of craftsmanship.
Collar set. Engaging main closure. Seal verified. Go ahead and raise your arm. Yep. No binding at the shoulder.
Before it leaves the factory, it must earn approval.